Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Friday, March 23. Government has made a formal offer to repurchase Venezuela's 49% stake in Petrojam. A Jamaican delegation visited the South American country this week to discuss the way forward. The offer was made on Thursday during talks involving Energy Minister Andrew Wheatley, Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, and their Venezuelan counterparts. This move comes as the national oil refinery is experiencing difficulties in the distribution and payment for oil from Venezuela to Jamaica following a U.S. government executive order issued last year. It imposes restrictions on government entities in Venezuela, which has indirectly impacted Petrojam due to the South American government's heavy stake in the company. Government has launched a National Poverty Reduction Program, NPRP. It is designed to eradicate extreme food poverty by the year 2022 and to reduce national poverty prevalence significantly below 10% by 2030. The program is being implemented by the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, in collaboration with the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. At Wednesday's launch, Minister Horace Chang said the initiative would strengthen coordinated interventions across ministries, departments, and agencies through the Cabinet-approved Poverty Reduction Coordinative Unit located at the PIOJ. The program and the National Policy on Poverty were approved by the Houses of Parliament in September 2017.
The policy now provides a framework that establishes a core body with responsibility for the coordination of the various poverty reduction programs and all other poverty alleviation initiatives. It also identifies key focus areas and establishes a specific mechanism to deal with these targeted area groups.
He says the program should provide a credible and measurable space from which government efforts may be evaluated for their effectiveness and impact. Lands at Berner Lodge in St. Catherine are to be developed as an urban community. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says Cabinet gave approval for the Berner Lodge Land Use Master Plan last week. The plan allows for residential, commercial, light industrial and agricultural use in a sustainable, orderly and integrated urban center.
When this is complete, having gone through the processes prescribed by government, 17,000 new homes plus the other uses will be accommodated in this area.
Agro-processing.
So if you are talking, Mr. Speaker, about us expanding options and access to housing and communities, this government is going to make a radical transformation of the housing landscape.
While delivering his budget presentation on Tuesday, the Prime Minister also announced that government would support a private sector-led plastic bottle return system. The system calls for a deposit and payout on the return of plastic bottles to producers. Mr. Holness says the initiative is one of a suite of actions to be taken against what he says is a solid waste management crisis. The Prime Minister says the system received consensus from stakeholders through the National Partnership Council.
The government will support the plastic bottle return system with the necessary regulatory and financial support where possible. There are other initiatives being considered by the government with regards to plastic bags, plastic packaging materials, and styrofoam.
And finally, the Ministry of National Security has entered into an agreement to teach fundamentals in security science to college students. The Ministry and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, signed a Memorandum of Understanding on Thursday with 4 colleges to provide the course to 400 students at a cost of $28 million. The certificate program will run for 3 months, and successful students will have the opportunity to be selected for recruitment into the JCF. National Security Minister Robert Montego says the partnership is part of a program to pre-certify individuals wanting a career in various areas of the security force.
Once you satisfy the requirements of that community college and the program, a background check is done, the necessary tests are administered, and you enter into the program. And once you are within the program, you must also sign an agreement with the government, because the Ministry of National Security is underwriting the full cost of the program.
Director of the National Police College, ACP Yvonne Martin-Daly, says the courses will introduce students to core knowledge that is necessary for policemen and women.
This program will incorporate topics like communication, sociology, information technology, customer service, ethics, the Jamaican justice systems, and that will incorporate some theoretical aspects of the laws in Jamaica that is usually taught at the college. And of course, they will be involved in physical fitness and community engagement.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.